Understanding building drift. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore how seismic activity can cause lateral forces to act on the building and lead to story drift, as well as how to calculate that drift. So during seismic activity, floors drift side to side in the building. This forces the vertical minus outer square. This movement is called story drift. When evaluating products for a seismic area, you need to start with the anticipated story drift for an area. And this is an example of how to calculate that story drift as well as the drift ratio. So in this example, you have lateral forces acting on the building, and you get 6 inches of movement. So to get your story drift, you would divide your movement by your story height. So in this case, you get 6 inches divided by 2 stories, so you get 3 inches per story. And to calculate your drift ratio, you'll take your story drift and divide that by your story height. So in this case, you have 3 inches divided by 12 feet, and that gets you a drift ratio around 2.1%.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.